So here I am now at our little retreat in Strensham, and I've just got up and crawled out of my bullet, and I just want to take you over to what site I woke up to this morning. And here we go. We've got some ducks out. Look at all these lovely chicks sunbathing. Look at these lovely little chicks running towards me. Hello, hello. These lovely little chicks, look, they're all coming over to me here, look. And they're coming to see me. Hello, how are you today? Now the mother's coming over. You've got to be a bit careful of these mothers. They're a little bit, they want to sort of like attack me. They have done in the past. So what beautiful little ducklings all coming to see me. And the river. And there's our boat. Needs a bit of a wash, I think. Can you beat that or what? So ducklings coming to meet the papa. Oh, here's my mother. Here's mother duck. Mother duck now is... I know. Is that the one I grabbed before?
Yeah. Come on, darling, he's alright.
They were all coming over to me, eh?
Come on.
Here's the wife. Dressed up, as you can see. Just come back from a rock concert. She's a rock chick. And look at the ducks.
There you go.
How often do you feed these, mother?
He's in the tin.
What are you feeding them?
Special stuff.
That's cheating. They're supposed to be able to live off the wild, isn't they?
Yeah, no, it's what they eat. Look at the one in the dish.
Look, they still want to come and see me, look. It must be in their gene now. Come and visit the bird man.
The thing is, the other one's extra food I put down for a lot. I haven't seen that before.
Oh, he's going to be the biggest duck he is, eh?
Yeah. I was the same one getting in there. No, you haven't done that before. They just over a week old now.
God, mother duck's getting a fill, isn't she?
Yeah, she didn't need it, man.
Oh, I suppose they have bloody...
Oh,
How many kids she got?
well, she had 9 and then it was 8, now it's 7. Well, to see them going off then and getting off the wall. So this is like they were born last Tuesday, yes, they're a week and a day older, so they are. Let's see how tiny they were. That's where she nest. It's over there. It's a nest over there.
Where?
Where that store is.
Oh, that's the nest.
Yeah. That's where she nested. All the bushes on the top. So it's a chicken. Yeah. Look at this, Alistair. It's in the tub. She jumped in the tub.
6 o'clock this morning, the
We
first
fed him this
three.
morning, 6 o'clock. Look him in the tub. Come on then.
They gone into the water now as well?
Oh yeah, they jump off the water there.
Eh?
Yeah, she'll take them in now. They'll follow her now. I am gone. I've already left her.
Oh, she's going to the water now?
Yeah, she'll go in the water now. She'll take them in now.
It's their morning bathtub then.
Watch them now.
Suicide ducks, this looks like.
Oh no, they decided to come back across us and they're very photogenic this morning.
Well, looks like a bloody suicide mission.
They do, they could just flop in. You want to see you watch her now. Right, she's gone in now. The first one in. Who's going to be the first one in? Like, on the cake. There we go.
First one.
Good God.
If we fell the equivalent,
Yeah, we'd probably die.
yeah.
Oh. No, they're not ducks, they're chickens. Quack, 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 quack. Come on. If you're going to do it, do it.
They'll do it now. They'll go down by her now. Go on then. Go find your mama.
What, are you looking for a softer landing, eh?
Yeah, they don't really. They don't like going on top of it. Look, they follow her now. Is
One,
she too?
one died down in the leaves the other day.
Combined.
Took him 20 minutes to get out the leaves. Look, Kelvin.
Hi, Kevin. Oh, they're cute. They going? Yeah. There you go. They push him in. See? Look, look. Oh!
Well. There's some nasty pike in here, I see. I bet she's lost a couple of pike, hasn't she?
Yeah.
I need poached egg, I think.